Good morning and welcome back to a new session to solve one of the most frequently asked coding problems in almost all campus interviews of IT MNCs. In the last session, we discussed about candies and cartons problem and solved in C programming. Today, we are going to solve a circular prime number problem and let us write coding in Java. Let us go through problem statement. Given a number with n digits, check whether the number is circular prime or not. To understand what is circular prime, let us take one example. Say a given number is 179. There are 3 digits, that n is number of digits. If all n digit combinations of this number, that is 179, 791, 917 are prime, then the number is circular prime, otherwise not. Suppose given a number 179, we'll have to make 3 combinations of it. First is 179 itself, second is 791, and third is 917. Now the question is how to get them. Say what we do is we convert number into string. And then we slice the number. Using substring method. Substring method returns a string. It takes start index, comma, limiting index. For example, so we have a string 1, 2, 3, 4. How many characters are there? So there are 4 characters. Now, if I take a substring of it, from 0th index to n, what I get are a 0th character, first character, second character, third character. For example, if I take 1 comma n, then my starting is 2. I get 2, 3, 4. If I get 2 comma n, what I get? I get 3 and 4. If I say 3 comma n, I get only 4. Is this clear? So I hope you understand it. For example, if I take 0 comma 0, I get empty string. If I put 0 comma 1, I get only first character. I hope you understand it. Okay. Now I'm going to use it. Say our string is 179. Our number of characters are 3. So first combination is string dot substring 0 comma n plus string dot substring 0 comma 0. So what I get? First I get all the 3 characters plus I get a null empty string. What is the result? This is 179. Okay. Next. Next is, so if I start from 1, what do I get? I get 79. Okay. 79. To be more specific, we call this as a string, and result is also a string. Now you get 79. To this you add 1. Sorry, this is 0, 1. You add, you get 1. So result is 791. Is this clear? And I hope you guess the third one. For the third one, substring 2 to n, and this is 0 to 2. You get only one character because after 2 there is only one character. There's only one character. This is 0th character, first character, second character. And here 0 to 2. 0 to 2. So what do you get? You get both 1 and 7. Now this becomes 917. Now you got all the three: 179, 791, 917. Then you convert them into integers and then check whether they are prime or not. Here we use some interesting Java methods. One is converting to string. Second is substring, and third is parsing string back to int. Okay, but this is first and third are methods of integer class. First and third are methods of integer class. This is a string method. Okay. So let us start. Let us go to my favorite programming editor, LMS, Learning Assessing Tracking Platform, Hebian. So in this, let us go to courses. Seems my net is a bit slow. Now go to Core Java. And this is Core Java. You can see here there are a lot of lessons. There are a lot of lessons, and there is exam at every stage. Suppose we take what? Strings lesson. Okay, so these are different lessons. You have code snippets, you have code challenges, and a code challenge. This is problem statement. These are input cases, outputs expected. You are advised to run the program. My net is a bit slow. Our program, yes, here the program I wrote did not satisfy hidden test cases and test cases given. So my score is 0. If my score is 0, I can ask, like in Kaun Banega Crorepati, I can ask for a hint, or I can buy solution sacrificing 50% of my marks. Okay, is this clear? That's it. So now what I need is programming workbench. Okay, let us add a new program. say circular prime. If it is already there, then it will be overwritten. Okay, and let us practice. Some sample program is already there. I'll remove the sample program. And start afresh. I remove this and I only keep the statements which are required. Now, let us read the number, which is integer, using scanner object in, using the method next int. Let the number is 179. Okay, and then convert that number into a string using integer class and toString method inside that. toString, okay, what number you would like to convert number. Is this clear? Now let us check whether it is converted or not. Run the code. There is one error. I did not end the main method. Yes, it is converted. So let us go ahead. Let us use a method by name isCircular, a Boolean method. isCircular, and pass the string to it. If this is true, these days lead a lot of Python code, so forgetting to put condition in parentheses. If this is true, print that the number is a circular prime number. Else print that the number is not a circular prime number. Okay, now let us write this method. To use the method with the name itself, let us make it static. It returns Boolean. Its name is prime, and it takes a string. Okay, hope you understand it. Now let us find out string length by using length method. For array, length parameter. For string, it is length method. Okay, some spelling mistake here. Right. Next, for I is equal to 0, I less than n, Okay, find circular prime. Let us call it as string S. What is circular prime? Substring. First I is 0, I to n. You get total string plus substring 0 to I. Here you get string with no characters. Then I becomes 1. It will be 1 comma n and 0 comma 1. When I becomes 2, it is 2 comma n and 0 comma 2. You get all the combinations. Now convert string into again number. How do you convert that? Again use integer class, parse the string into int. Parse the string into int. Okay, now check if this m is prime. If this m is prime, then you return true. But if m is false, if m is not prime, you return false. Okay, so do one thing. I put not operator here. So inside the condition, now if m is not prime, return, don't check further, return false. You come out of loop when all the combinations are true. In that case, you return true. Is this clear? Now you need to add one more function because it's not a library function. Because I am calling function by name, sorry, method by name, it must be a static method. It also returns Boolean. Its name is prime. It takes a number n. If by mistake you entered a number less than 2, that is 0 or 1, then it should return false. So start your checking from 2. How long you check? Till this I is less than or equal to half of the given number. Here, if the given number is divisible by I, if the given number is divisible by I, that is n mod I equal to 0, then this is no longer a prime. So you are free to return false. Now try with next I. After trying with all the i's that are possible, if you could not return false, then return true. Okay. So first method is to check whether the given number is prime or not. Second method uses first method. It checks whether it is circular prime or not. And here we read the input, convert to string, and send it to the function. Hope you understand it. Second one is circular, not is prime. Is circular. Okay. The input is 179. So let us run. My net is slow and my RAM is less. And there are two errors here. This is return false, RETURN. Hope errors are fixed. Now it is a circular prime. Is this clear? If n mod is not actually, let us see where we did mistake. If E is prime M returns false. Sorry, the condition is wrong. The condition is I less than or equal to half of n. Okay. Pardon me for slowness. This is not a prime number. Now let us take 197. It is prime. Let us take 195. You can easily check that it is not circular. Is this clear? So I take 311, 311. The combinations are 311, 113, and again 311. And it is a circular prime, I think. Yes. Okay. So hope you understand. Hope you understand the logic, the methods, and the code. Okay. And a bit about the Debian technologies. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. Keep watching. I will come up with more interesting and more useful problems. Thank you.